AI seems to be getting everywhere, especially with Windows 11. Microsoft seem to be adapting apps to incorporate their AI, which is called Copilot. You've got the Copilot app, you've got Copilot now in Paint, you've got Copilot now in Notepad even. You've even got Copilot in Edge up there in the top right hand corner. Also, Microsoft are taking snapshots of your screen, allowing you to search and revisit anything you've seen or done on your computer using a natural language. Now, I'm not sure if I'm happy with Microsoft taking snapshots of my screen. This is an intrusion of privacy. So many people have embraced AI and Copilot, but some of us just simply don't like it. So this guide is going to show you how you can remove AI from Windows 11 in most areas with just the click of a couple of buttons. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. First of all, we need to open our browser. I'm going to open Microsoft Edge, not because I like Microsoft Edge, but simply because virtually every computer in the world running Windows 11 should have it pre-installed on there. So as you can see up there, we've got chat already and we've got it there as well. Now I should say we can get rid of most parts of AI from our system. We can certainly get rid of that. We can't get rid of this on the right hand side of the search the web bar simply because that's not actually on our computer. It's actually on the Microsoft website. So we can't do much about that, but never mind. We can just ignore it. All we need to do is go up to the address bar at the top of the screen, not the search the web bar in the middle, but the address bar at the top, and then type in there cwtek.co.uk/W for whiskey, D for Delta. Pause this video if you need to make a note of this. Then press enter or return when you're ready. Okay, choose your consent here. I'm just going to click consent. Then we need to click on, under Windows Tools, Remove Windows AI. Now, I did say this only works with Windows 11. It doesn't work with Windows 10. I don't think there's much sort of included in Windows 10 anyway. So let's just click Remove Windows AI. If there's any adverts come up, if it's asking you to download anything, then close that down. And then we should come to this page here. Now, this is a script which removes everything to do with AI. I would say before you run this script, make sure that you've got a good backup copy of anything important on your computer, because if anything goes wrong, then you can obviously reset your computer back and set everything back up. Now, I've tried this a few times and touch wood, nothing has gone wrong. So what does this script do? So let's just have a look. If we scroll down here, it disables registry keys, it disables Copilot recall, disables the input, insights and typing and data harvesting. It disables Copilot in Edge, it disables the image creator in Paint, removes the AI fabric service, disables AI actions, disables AI in Paint, disables voice access, disables AI voice effects, disables AI in search settings, and it also prevents the reinstall of AI packages. So it installs custom Windows Update packages to prevent reinstall of AI packages in the component-based servicing store. It disables policies related to Copilot and integrated services region policy set JSON. It also removes AI Apex packages, including non-removable packages and Windows workload. It removes recall optional feature. It removes AI packages in CBS, removes AI files, hides AI components where it can, disables rewrite AI feature in Notepad, and removes recall tasks. So it does quite a lot. So how do you actually run this script? Well, first of all, as I say, make sure you've got a backup copy just in case the worst should go wrong of anything important. Scroll down this page, and then what we're looking for is this here where it says Launch with UI. Now, click on those two squares just to the right of this script here. Just click once on them. Okay, and then we want to close down our browser. So click on the cross in the top right hand corner and then click on the start button just at the bottom of the screen. And then when the start menu comes up, type in there PowerShell, all one word. And as you're typing it, it should come up Windows PowerShell. Move your mouse over Run as Administrator and left click once. Now you might get this come up. If you do, click on Yes. Then when you get this window come up, just move your mouse anywhere on the black area. Then we want to click on the right hand mouse button. That's on the right hand side of the mouse or the bottom right hand corner of the touchpad if you're using a laptop. And then you should get this appear. Just then press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Then you'll get this box here, and this here, all of these are ticked. So this means that what it's going to do is when we click on apply, it's going to remove all of those. So if you don't want to remove certain things, then you can untick. If you're not sure what each of these do, you can just click on the little question mark beside them. And there you go, a pop-up box comes up and it tells you exactly what each of these are going to do if they're ticked once you click on apply. Now, you've also got a backup mode there, so I would recommend turning backup mode on because then that will back up your settings. You've also got a revert mode. That means that if you find that you get problems after running this script, you can go back into it here, follow those instructions again and turn on revert mode, and that'll revert everything back to what it was before it removed all the AI on the system. So if you're happy, just click on apply, and as you'll see there on the left, it's now running the script. Now, this could take a while because there's a lot for it to do. Okay, so there you go. That took a little while, and it now says AI removal process completed successfully. Would you like to restart your computer now to ensure all changes take effect? Well, yes, say yes to this. Okay, so we've now restarted, and straight away I've noticed Copilot has disappeared from the bottom of the screen. Let's open up Notepad and just see, yep, it's disappeared from up there in Notepad. What about Paint? Has it been removed in Paint? No, it's still showing there in Paint. So that probably needs a bit of an update. What about Edge? Let's just go into Edge. And yep, it's disappeared from Edge up in the top right hand corner. It's not disappeared from there simply because that is part of the web page. That's from Microsoft on the web page. So we can't use a script to start removing stuff from Microsoft servers, unfortunately. So that will stay there, but you can ignore that. Yeah, so it's done a pretty good job. I mean, it's obviously removed other stuff as well in the background. Now, as I said earlier, what if you think, nah, actually, I want it all back? Then what you can do is you can open up your browser and then type in there in the address bar at the top, cwtek.co.uk/WD, just as it's shown on the screen there now. Then press enter or return and then go down to remove Windows AI. Click on that, close down any adverts if it's asking you to download anything, and then scroll down. And again, you want to just go to that launch with UI and then click on the two sets of boxes just to the right and then close down Edge. Click on the start button and then type PowerShell. And as you're typing it, PowerShell should come up. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if this comes up. And then when you get this prompt here, click on the right mouse button and then press enter or return, and then you'll get this box come up, and all you do is just turn on revert mode and then click on apply, and then that will go through, and what it will do is it will start enabling all the stuff. It reverses all the changes that it's made. Again, this can take some time to do that. Hopefully won't be as long as it did to actually set it up to remove it, but it shouldn't take that long. Okay, during the reversal, it's come up and asked me a question. It says, would you like to re-download and overwrite the file here? So I'm going to say yes to that, just to be on the safe side. So I'm going to put a click in the box there and just type Y for yes, and then press enter or return. And there you go, that'll carry on. And again, if you do get any other messages come up asking you, then again, I'd say just push yes or Y and return. It's going to ask a few times, I think, here. So I'm just pressing Y and return. Just want to make sure that we're getting the latest packages back on our system. Okay, so there you go. It wasn't half as long. So it says here AI removal process completed successfully, but it's not. It's reverted. It's not removal. So would you like to restart now? Say yes to this. And there you go. Once it's restarted, let's click on the start button, open Notepad. And yep, Copilot is back there. I also noticed there it's got recently added Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot there. It's not restored it back to the bar at the bottom of the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open Copilot by clicking on that there under recommended, and then right click on it at the bottom of the screen now, and then left click pin to taskbar, and that puts it back. And let's just go into Edge and see if it's back there. And yes, it is back in the top right hand corner of Edge 2, and all the other bits have been turned back on as well.